I can now see that I only have 87 calories remaining for the day. I will click Home in the bottom left corner. At the top, I can see my 87 calories remaining for the day and a breakdown of my macronutrients in the upper right corner. My goal for carbs is 50% and I am currently at 43%. My goal for fat is 30% and I am already over with 41%. My goal for protein is 20% and I am currently at 16%. Since I only have 87 calories remaining for the day, I go to the gym after work and walk on the treadmill to burn some calories. I will click Exercise Diary at the bottom. I will click on Add Exercise under Cardio Exercise. I'm going to create a new exercise. For the description, I will type treadmill 5 miles per hour. For how long, I will type 30 minutes. After walking on the treadmill for 30 minutes, the treadmill says that I burned 355 calories. I will add this to number of calories burned. I will click on the check mark to log the exercise. At the top, I can now see that I have 442 calories remaining for the day. I can also search MyFitnessPal to see how many calories I can burn doing different activities. I will click on Add Exercise under Cardio Exercise. I will click on All Exercises in the upper right corner. Here I will compare playing a basketball game to just shooting baskets for fun. I will scroll down to Basketball Game. If I play a basketball game for 30 minutes, I will burn approximately 353 calories. I will scroll down to Basketball Shooting Baskets. If I shoot baskets for 30 minutes, I will burn approximately 199 calories. I will click back to go to the main page. For dinner, I'm going to eat Arby's again. I will click the plus sign in the bottom middle and select food. I will select dinner. I will eat the same thing I had for lunch. I add my Arby's sauce, junior roast beef sandwich, large curly fries, and large brewed iced tea. I will click on the check mark to log each item. At the top, I can now see that I have went over on my calories by 418. If you are active and have a Fitbit, Garmin, or walking app, you could log your steps for the day to see how many calories you burned walking. I will click on the calories remaining bar to see how I did for the day. Here I can see the calories that I ate at each meal. 34% of my calories came from snacks. This makes sense because I ate 1,098 calories of Casey's breakfast pizza for break. I will click on nutrients to see a breakdown of nutrients for the day. Here I can see that I fell short on protein by 26 grams. I can also see that I fell short on fiber by 16 grams. I went over on fat by 56 grams. If I scroll down, I can see that I really went over on sodium. My goal was to stay under 2,300 milligrams and I had 6,626 milligrams of sodium. Staying under on sodium is very, very difficult to do. A main source of sodium is table salt. Sodium is found naturally in foods, but a lot of it is added during processing and preparation. Large amounts of sodium can be hidden in canned, processed, and convenience foods. Sodium controls fluid balance in our bodies and maintains blood volume and blood pressure. Eating too much sodium may raise blood pressure and cause fluid retention, which could lead to swelling of legs and feet or other health issues. To cut down on sodium intake, choose low sodium food. Many salt-free or reduced salt products are available. When reading food labels, low sodium is defined as 140 milligrams of sodium per serving. High sodium is defined as 400 milligrams or more per serving.